so much.
Oh, that's.
Every day. I'm like a vanilla latte girly.
Yes.
On like a general. It is a little bit good, a little
It'd be so fun. That's awesome. That's what I wanted to maybe try too. I'm in there, but that's good. Yeah, this is gonna be a good one. I haven't.
So now you take this is our chocolate drizzle.
This?
Yeah. The higher that you hold it above your sauce, the more detailed you're gonna be able to see.
Oh my gosh. I give you guys so much more credit. Oh, that's so cute. This one gets those little heart sprinkles. Yeah. Okay, that's good. This is your child.
My child.
Your child.